From the top menu bar, choose Tenants and then Management. In the left navigation pane, expand Networking and External Routed Networks. Right-click External Routed Networks and choose Create Routed Outside. The Create Routed Outside window opens. Enter a name in the name field. Check the OSPF checkbox. Enter an area ID in the OSPF Area ID field. In the OSPF Area Type field, choose the appropriate button. In the OSPF Area Cost field, choose the appropriate value. In the VRF field, choose the VRF from the drop-down list. This step associates the routed outside with the in-band VRF. From the External Routed Domain drop-down list, choose the appropriate domain. Expand Nodes and Interfaces Protocol Profiles. The Create Node Profile window opens. Enter a name for the node profile in the name field. Expand Nodes. In the Select Node window in the Node ID field, choose the first node from the drop-down list. In the Router ID field, enter a unique router ID. Uncheck the Use Router ID as Loopback Address field checkbox. By default, the router ID is used as a loopback address. If you want them to be different, uncheck the Use Router ID as Loopback Address checkbox. Expand loopback addresses and enter the IP address in the IP field. Click Update and then OK. Expand nodes once more to add a second node ID. In the Select Node window, choose the second node from the drop-down list. In the Router ID field, enter a unique router ID. Uncheck the Use Router ID as Loopback Address field checkbox. Expand loopback addresses again and enter the desired IPv4 or IPv6 IP address. Click Update and then OK. In the Create Node Profile window, expand OSPF Interface Profiles. The Create Interface Profile window opens. Enter the profile name in the name field. In the Interfaces area, click the Routed Interfaces tab and expand Routed Interfaces. In the Select Routed Interfaces window in the Path field, choose the first node and its port from the drop-down list. Enter an IP address in the IP address field. This IP address should be different from the IP address you entered for Leaf 1 earlier. Click OK. In the Interfaces area, click the Routed Interfaces tab and expand Routed Interfaces. In the Select Routed Interfaces window in the Path field, choose the second node and its port from the drop-down list. Enter an IP address in the IP address field. This IP address should be different from the IP address you entered for Leaf 1 earlier. Click OK. In the Create Interface Profile window, click OK. The interfaces are configured along with the OSPF interface. In the Create Node Profile window, click OK. In the Create Routed Outside window, click Next. The Step 2 External EPG Networks area is displayed. Expand External EPG Networks. The Create External Network window opens. Enter a name for the external network in the name field. Expand Subnet. In the Create Subnet window in the IP address field, enter an external subnet address and mask. In the Scope area, check the appropriate checkboxes for the external subnet. Click OK. In the Create External Networking window, click OK. In the Create Routed Outside window, click Finish. In the Work pane in the External Routed Networks area, the External Routed Network icon is now displayed.